Hi guys, so this would be my prediction for Bitcoin overall for 2024. So I'm just gonna do a full forecast on Bitcoin for 2024, guys. So my buyer's price prediction slash forecast on Bitcoin for 2024. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a top-down analysis on Bitcoin, on what I think Bitcoin will be for this year, at least like 6 months of this year, how I see Bitcoin going to. So now let's get started. Let me go to a bigger time frame. Since I'm doing the overall prediction on Bitcoin, I will stay in more of like the monthly time frame just to look at what we are looking at, guys. So let's see how the market reacted around this area. We can see that based on this platform I'm using, which is TradingView, Bitcoin was started around this area right here, which was the price for Bitcoin around July of 2014 was around around right here, which is around, you can see if I use just to see right here, around $366. That was what Bitcoin was around, based on using, this is TradingView platform, by the way, and this was around July 2014. So I'm just gonna, we can see the price around that area right here, and we can see how Bitcoin has really grown over the years. So now let's do a overall prediction on Bitcoin, guys. What are we seeing on Bitcoin? You can see that we had this break of structure right here with this engulfing candle, and let's see what the year that was. So we had this break of structure right here using the months. This was 2020. So based on what we are seeing right here, this was 2020, right around here. We can see that was July 2020, that Bitcoin. So this candlestick right here, based on the based on TradingView platform, right, this was around July 2020 that broke this previous low right here, right, break the structure and give us this beautiful engulfing candle, and we continue to tap to the upside, and we can see that the highest Bitcoin has ever gotten to was right here, almost $70,000, guys. I just wanted to be a little bit more accurate. Let's see. I'll push up a little bit. So almost $70,000. Let's just say around $69,000. That was where Bitcoin came, and that was, I think, 2022. Let's see when that was. Oh, that was 2021. That was 2021. So just this candle right here that gave us the highest figure on Bitcoin was in 2021, guys. This was July 2021 that gave us the highest, and we can see after that it just dropped to the downside with this engulfing candle, and I think that was 2022. Yes, this candlestick was 2022, guys. So remember that I am currently analyzing on the 6 months time frame, just for us to see, since I am doing like the overall picture of predictions on Bitcoin, I'm trying to do it in a higher time frame for more clarity and for easier explanation. So we can see how Bitcoin has been for a long time, right? We've dropped to the downside, and the lowest we dropped on Bitcoin after then was right around here, which was around $15,000. We can see the lowest we've dropped on Bitcoin was $15,000, so about $15,400. That was the lowest we dropped, and that was in 2022, guys. So we can see how Bitcoin has evolved a long time. So let's see what we think about Bitcoin, right? When Bitcoin was actually dropping to the downside, based on the higher time frame, I knew it was normal for it to drop, and the reason was because we can see that there was this break of structure, like I said, with this engulfing candle. It's just normal for it to actually come down to retest around that area, retest the break of structure, and also, right, fill in the imbalance that we had. So that was just normal for us to do. So that is why I love top-down analysis, because if you're looking at Bitcoin on a lower time frame, you might not see the overall picture of it and you kind of be panicking. But based on the higher time frame, we can see that it just makes sense based on how the market goes. The market doesn't just go on a straight line. We all know that it has to go on a straight line, come down to retest and continue. That is how the market works. So when the market was dropping, it was just healthy for it to actually drop. Based on what I just said, it had to come back to retest the broken structure. It has to come back to retest that broken structure. So that was just normal for it to do, and we can see that Bitcoin is still on a bull run, guys. It's on a bull run, and we can see that as soon as Bitcoin dropped down to retest that break of structure right here, if I draw a rectangular right here, let's just see. So we can see as soon as Bitcoin came down to retest that, what did Bitcoin did? It gave us this beautiful engulfing candle. So overall, we should be expecting Bitcoin to push to the upside. At least go back to the previous higher high, which was around $19,000. So I'm expecting Bitcoin in 2024 to at least go back to the previous higher high. That is what I'm expecting it to do, because we can see that the bulls are still in the market. Bulls in the market. So we can see that is how it's forming in the higher time frame, and we know that the higher the time frame, the more accuracy we get. So that is just how I see Bitcoin right now. Like in 2024, Bitcoin is going to be really, really huge. At least, like I said, Bitcoin will be at the highest it has ever been. At least it will get there. That we might still tank up or something, but at least in 2024, Bitcoin should at least get there. So now I'm gonna delete let's just delete this one right here and say, so I'm just gonna draw my trend line right here. We all know that Bitcoin is currently on an uptrend. That is what we know about. So now my analysis, I use Fibonacci. So now I'm going to analyze Bitcoin using Fibonacci strategies. So Fibonacci strategy to predict the price of Bitcoin for 2024, guys. So that is my analysis. If you've been watching my previous analysis, my strategy is Fibonacci strategy, guys. So now let's see how that works. Now I'm going to draw my fib. Now we have point A to point B. I'm going to draw my fib from point A to point B right here. Just for us, let me delete this one here. From here to here. just to show us what is happening, guys. We can see when I drew my fib, guys, Bitcoin reacted around the zone that I said, and the zone, let me just redraw the zone, and we can see that the zone perfectly aligns with a fib level, which is 78.6% fib level. So that was a reversal zone, right, on fib level. And that is why I used to say that when you're using Fibonacci, just don't use Fibonacci all by itself. You have to use Fibonacci in conjunction with price market, price action, market structure, key zones area, and everything. So we can see that we reacted around that area right there, which was 78.6% fib level with this engulfing candle. Like, it just signifies more bull runs for Bitcoin, guys. Like, it signifies more bull runs for Bitcoin. So now let me go to a little bit more smaller time frame, and that was the this is a 3 months time frame. So right here is the 3 month time frame. So let me just to continue to see buy. Yes, we might actually drop a little bit just to fill imbalances, which is normal. Just like I said, that we had this bull run, right, and we can see that it has to come down to at least retest the zone before pushing to the upside. So yes, definitely we should be expecting that. I'm not just saying Bitcoin will just continue to tank to the upside for the whole year. That's impossible. We're going to see some down move and some up move. But like I said, this is just like the overall predictions of Bitcoin. So I'm going to be doing like analysis in between this year for us to just break it down a little bit more. But this one, since we are going to 2024, this one is just like the overall bull markets that we're expecting. I still think Bitcoin will still drop to around this area right here over the month we are seeing, which is around that is around $32,000. So I still predict Bitcoin to drop over the month, like I said, to maybe around that level area, just to fill in this break of structure and continue to tank to the upside. Like I said, those ones are gonna be like a series of analysis I'm gonna do in between the months. But this one right now that I'm doing is the overall prediction of Bitcoin in 2024. And like I said, that the least Bitcoin can do in 2024 is 69,000, around that area. And if we still see more momentum of Bitcoin, which it can go, I'm expecting Bitcoin to at least get to $86,000, guys. Like, I just think Bitcoin is gonna be really, really good investment on in this year, like 2024. We should be expecting Bitcoin to do its thing in a higher price. So I think Bitcoin would get to, at least for this year, Bitcoin will get to $86,000, guys. 86,000. And if we see more momentum on Bitcoin, Bitcoin would definitely get to at least $100,000, guys. But I don't want to predict way too much, because like I said, the market doesn't just go straight, it goes up and down. So I am more visible that Bitcoin will go back to the previous high, which is $69,000, and $86,000, guys. So that is my overall prediction on Bitcoin, guys, for 2024. Definitely, like, just like I would say, disclaimer, please do your own analysis. My analysis is just for educational purposes only, guys. Educational purposes only. Do your own analysis just to see. This is what I think. Purposes only. So do your own analysis, do your own research before taking my, don't take my words, just use this based on how you want to see it, and analyze based on how you see it. To me, I just think that analyzing should just be about just you as a particular person. You can learn from people as well, but that does not mean you have to take everything they say. Do your own research and learn based on you. this is what I am saying, and this is what I'm predicting, guys. So let's see overall, guys. So I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put a price right here for 2024. Let's see, around 69,000. I want to just adjust this. You can see prediction for Bitcoin, 69,000 for prediction. The second prediction for Bitcoin will be around 86,000, guys. 86,000. I think 86,800. I think it's 800 to make a little bit more sense right now. Yep. So overall, guys, that is what we're predicting Bitcoin for 2024. I really hope we take advantage of the market this 2024, guys. So this is my quick technical analysis on Bitcoin prediction for 2024, guys. Hope you find it insightful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll certainly see you in my next analysis, guys. Like I said, please do your own research, do your own analysis yourself. This is just for educational purposes only, guys. I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.